The 2017-2020 Genesis G80 uses an intelligent oil life monitoring system that goes beyond simple mileage. It calculates oil degradation by analyzing driving conditions, temperature, and engine RPM to provide accurate maintenance recommendations. When your oil life is low, the instrument cluster will display a message like "Oil change in XXX miles" or show a wrench icon to alert you. To access the reset function, first turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This powers up the electronics without running the motor. Then use the OK button on the steering wheel to navigate through the cluster displays. Keep pressing until you reach Oil Life or Service Due. This is your entry point for resetting the system. Once you've accessed the Oil Life or Service Due screen, use the scroll buttons on the steering wheel to find the reset option. Select Reset or Yes to confirm. The system will take about 5 to 10 seconds to reset, and the indicator should return to 100% or clear the maintenance reminder. Some G80 models also offer a touchscreen reset option. Navigate to Settings, Vehicle, Maintenance, Oil Life, Reset. Remember, always change your oil before resetting the system. If the reset fails, it could indicate a sensor issue requiring a dealer visit. App integration, BlueLink, also enables remote oil life checks and resets on compatible models. Post-2023 software patches have also improved sensor accuracy and reduced false maintenance reminders.